Recently, my students designed some chunky stones, and then we printed them on the 3D printer. And then they painted them for our game with Chunky. And here's some of them that they created. Whoa. What is this? No, we didn't have anything to do with Minecraft stuff. So let's get this out of here right now.
Okay, hello. I just wanted to show everybody here the game of Chunky. I am the national Chunky champion. National Chunky champion. And I'm going to show you the correct way to play Chunky. We got our two Chunky champs. So, gentlemen, please tell me, what is the secret to becoming this Chunky champ?
Throwing the stick.
Throw the stick, very good. I agree. So, how many years of practice did it take you to develop the fine art of Chunky throwing?
About 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
20 seconds.
Huh?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. All right. Well, if you've never played Chunky, these guys are now giving lessons.